In this video, I'll quickly show you what is needed to safely clean your Apple Magic Keyboard so that it goes from this to this. To start, we'll need a dirty keyboard, check, 70% isopropyl alcohol, and a clean microfiber towel. The trick to cleaning anything electronic is to make sure you kill the power, turn it off, unplug it, or remove the batteries. So in this case, let's go ahead and remove these batteries. Now we'll go ahead and apply the isopropyl alcohol to our towel and get to cleaning. There's no right way to do this, but I usually Mr. Miyagi each individual key with a wax on, wax off motion, and then move to the next. I'll speed it up here so we can hurry up and get to the reveal, but the main point of this video is to identify what can be used to safely clean a keyboard. And the answer to that question is 70% isopropyl alcohol. It is used in the electronics industry all the way back to the manufacturing process as a cleaner that removes dust, grease, fingerprints, and any other type of contaminants that you can think of. They use it because it leaves no residue, evaporates very quickly, is cheap, and very effective as a cleaner. Now it's time to button up this quick video, get the batteries back in, and show a few before and afters. If you're still watching, please think about cleaning that subscribe button off down below and becoming a member to the channel. I post home projects along with the occasional quick tip like this from time to time.